Welcome back, guys. Today we're working on the Razor. We were having an issue with this chain slapping and shaking and getting knocked off. I considered just getting a stronger spring. There's a spring right here for the chain tensioner. But even if I held it up, when I was at speed, it would shake really bad. It would shake up and down like this and side to side. At first I thought I just needed to true the wheel, either lateral or radial truing. I did that. I even took it to a shop and they told me it was good, and they told me that this over here was what was shaking. So not necessarily this piece, but the sprocket itself. So this sits like this, and then you put the sprocket on top of this. That wasn't the issue. So this piece is shaking like that. Turns out the issue is this section right here. You can actually move it side to side. This bearing inside here is broken. And this ring, you should be able to take this ring off so you can get the freewheel out. I cannot get this ring off for anything. I watched a couple of YouTube videos. Common issue that this kind of gets fused or something. I'm gonna just replace the whole thing. You can take an angle grinder and just cut it and rip out the bearings and do all that. But I thought I'd save myself a couple hours, and it cost me about another 30 bucks. So this right here is a new rear wheel assembly. I don't think I need to completely swap out everything. Maybe I will anyway, just because it's what came with it and it matches. I'll just swap everything out. So I'm not going to put this new tire on because I don't have an inner tube for it. I keep destroying my inner tube every time I take off the wheel, which is super annoying. There is the tiniest bit of play in there, but virtually no play. This is a 140 by 3 millimeter. We need to take this off. Let's tighten this down. Okay. Check the PSI, and we're just about ready to ride. Oh, actually, we need to test to see if this chain is gonna wobble. If I hold this up, let me hold the chain tensioner up a little bit. Yeah, I just need a stronger tensioner. All right, that's it for the rear assembly. Now we just need to get a better chain tensioner from Electric & Co. And then this build is complete. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.